Jabusia ma obi bia kwaba eba 1911 TV channel no 1911 TV wa ba no subscribe na wa share go to one dance na of watching kan hu sempa do fia so folk aso e be ye PC dia na ye fu bia hu komo na ya boa no a ye de ebeso na ye kwoseda but yesterday na say timide stories ne ba na so hu de kwoseda me adumo china tip no resume nti say the update no etimi mo the first one share video na hu share video da Mr. So share video na manasi wo hwe manasi wia na wa subscribe so subscribe wo wi a wo za sena do ma bi o mi andoma ne so e ba se ntem be ya upload bia so nsa betima kepi no hu sempa difference of folk aso ye ba pacho adoma no mi aso afato all so be to ma o so be ba phone so na eso ya boa na ye de ba be so mu no ene enwumere no yes ye be wure mo haso folk camp team no resume ya me adomo chile be ka hu sem kakra sa so na player friend no kwada so Messi yes mo ne update kakra wo hanu ma me de ba homo cap no yes ho sem te sem penifo de eko chire pen bi na ho sem te sem de update no ma former houseful player Emmanuel Nate eso de sem bia tuja ama me ra hopa na sem na Nate ka aba konfa so ifri house no be de ho sem ba we ni sem bebrebe ana ma boa na me de be so mo ne enwume na se de bia me ye no e pato asase hu hia enu nta me kanfo Eliop investment asase hu hia dia na to asase amanso ni so to asase anaje to asase problem bia ni so langa sem bia ni so asase wasum bejo tam bia betima kwa akoyi odwuma enne se woto e basa dia na mekanfo Eliop investment limited dia ma mo na to mo sase no moton into mo sase ododo wa omo bi wa yikuma omo bi olate omo bi okufodi akwane so voter region any other part of Accra mo sase no bibre do peso de bi o menya ma o de yefu o de sit down o de si company ni nyom betima nyem bia ma o do offer makachom so ti advert no 1911 TV. Mr. Imabeti was a special discount. My catch was Eliop at the Atuas of penny for him say season best player of the season of China Sasse. And no crown motivating me more. I'm a make come wasem. It also your house of folk near has Adana Kumason. There's a pushy than a Jumani Kesi. Sebeya, yes, on Subet many be Abua team, nonty. We have to folk supporter him Samia, baby as well twice I say. Eliop investment. On my number 024449. Yes, 26270244492627 offer a more Mr. Imabeti so na ko bi a person ni bia no no so etimi no de busa Youngwem Street e wo yen sem no mu a abusa say ya me ya adoma on the 17th of August ana homo cap no e baso gama che cap no e baso na this time around we are very much happy e wo kwan ampa empenifo afa so mo promote that match no House of Folk and House of Lions baso our class posted on the 17th no the we empenifo afa match na mo promote match this time around no I hear very much interesting pa the bema match no live up to the expectation na the metiti kwan say ya me adoma on the match day no artist beba performing live our cash posted one ni na entertainment o de ba abeka ho ama cap no ball cap final no ayefe ayede na supporters ni eni age our cash posted mo nti enam so man penifo de kopiem ewo Star FM manager Bolare in office en kodin komo eketi awareness no e cap be bas on the 17th of August next month cap no bas between her Accra Folk and Heart of Lions so Lagabel and Samiado Enimado yes and the trophy ni koya omni kopiem e Bolare office yenko hwe video ni kakramra na yentoa so
You are here and you are in front of the boss. You know that is taking to the dancers because of you around the Babylon, you know. And the only thing you have to do always, you have to celebrate something with somebody. Yes. With the V. Yes. You understand me? Yes. But the music who go to the V, you have to remember the time he's going to school with the dentist. You got it. Bra 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 she ovira. Yes, the master 3 by 4. One for the Milare, one for the me. One for the little body crisis. I went in here, blah, blah, right. I made the one yes, I master 3 by 4. It's not 3 by 4. It's 3 by 4. What I'm saying, let's start to be like that. So, don't guess. Oh, both sides. And so now, EIB can bring it. No, as soon as yes. Go, you know, all out for you. So let's do the budget will come through, your address should come through, and let's start, you know, as we discussed, start playing it and everything. Let's know what is down, and then we'll just take it up from there.
It's
the president and top organizer, Samini. So tell us about the World Cup. I mean,
this is the boss of entertainment in Ghana. Yes, my senior at Accra.
That's right.
Yomo is the biggest festival for the Ghana, Gamashi states.
Okay.
And they are the owners of the capital. They run the capital, and I believe it's time we elevate the Omo festival to another level.
That's right.
And it's right for us to come to the boss of the EIB group.
Right.
The boss who was my senior at Accra, the boss of Ghana Entertainment.
That's
to
right.
make sure he brings his expertise and all his contacts and everything that Bola can do to make the Omo a grand one this year. And moving forward from the next subsequent editions, we believe it's going to be bigger and bigger and bigger, and then we can celebrate.
So 17th of August, you know where to be. Across Sports Stadium it is, right?
Yeah.
Fantastic. And time, gates will open
we open early because we're going to get in results.
That's right.
We are hoping to get a Coles game getting a U13 Accra North and Accra West. And apart from that, there's going to be a basic match at the UK High Commission.
Okay.
And another surprise getting result with some of our legends.
Wow.
That will also be played. And you know, the boss player is bringing entertainment.
Yeah,
He's going to announce the special artist is going to bring
That's
on
right.
the day. And I know that's in the hands of the boss.
No problem. So we'll do that. And remember, EIB Network, official media partner, and we're going to be there supporting this great, cup, the Omo Cup. Yes, let's meet at Accra Sports Stadium.
Yes, Abusa video no ya kwahwe no say you're very encouraging. The you must see the home komo eton you langa bed nyuma what to no brofo work no. Amad na so exciting ti abua promotion on mo this time around no. Me ama me ni achepa hawa almost promote that cap no. Di Abusa we ni update kakre free democrat na say free home cup remove ba me dey amount. Team no ebe use me nyame ya to mochina. Nyame ya to mochina no training hyehyehye so kama. Na makacho say justify na baby a players a coach enyaye no wa select omo wakacho omo say odo mo be ka senior team no ho enti fiti nyambo chire kono e bi be sha ase be she training ase with the senior team na omo ni team let my training one player or by justifier so far na promising Ando Jonando oba no na no the first match of boy na say oba obey 2 assists and my goals by winger onimbo ni bopa and you may have met this boy no in the nature media ma fana is it okwa sign ama media ma and no John Ando oba justify ni bi e wo haso folk no I think say obi nim dey see so meti standard no the media say media ma ana say ono so eko akosi akanti we update kakra if you ma me ba goalkeeper Benjamin Asare on say recently enkrabi ba say wonya offer a opeso oko you could din hu nkomo de mu nchemu ni bae but the catch was saying no kwenemum say the yet say club so be free Kenya almost so show interest boy no more almost so percent mbefa keeper no has folk number 1 Ghana national team number 1 no mbefa no kopium na omo also onko ekusi akan mo nti Benjamin sorry the mate say offer be free Kenya ba yes anoting but boy no hwe say what the tons ni esene ni na wo we be boa no what I say ubo has unya Black Stars da what I say you who play the play omo Black Stars ni bono mbo local league no omo tu kwa ko Africa no especially Africa no to be aye ne mboa eti enkrame se kan se boy no be we ni options ma consider bibia put bibia into consideration na what take a decision enti Benjamin Asare update kakra mensa kan betema sa story ye bedi akire ni ahwe no krebe wombia no na yetimi ede aba abesom ye bedi akire pa ni ahwe no krebe wombia no ede aba abesom on se me video na medi kan na no pa no mbeka kwada so name kwada so Messi ho asem na the metie ne say endra after some ball friendly match ni we no oba mpenifo ma na konya no ema no kwan so mra me pim Kumasi etimi ne wo kasai o Kumasi a obeboaboa no ho obefa ne niema odika ko pim Accra no na wa hyeda mfa niema ketu bebre ne kakra bi ntare be mienu pi ana ode koye eno koye ne mo so ne eso ne no mpenifo ma na tena ase etwen ye en mpenifo ma na konya ne say omra emefa ne niema ntimi ne wo kasai kwada so Messi Kumasi kwada so Messi Kumasi me no kasese obefi Kumasi ene enwumre by 12 there na wafa bus yes wotima daji na homi enu alopa no na onse nyame ya adom ochina de metin say train be ujimi anopa 7 ti enu anopa 7 there na akopie mu nkan bus there unya fa no 12 nko there by be 4 there 4:30 to 5 there na wakodru Accra betima sajo ahomi kakra sana time na so ma ko training ti de metin say obetu ahomachin na odi na chemu nkan obefa ne niam asese no okwa atenase it's a very good news pa my yes a very good news plan on mbo yen so tempana ma bibia quick na what team is second nkan me second say 24 to bibia na o me ready so be sign Neymar Neymar dia Cameroon o mo be sign Messi kwala so Messi na obetimi elisi akan ma Hasselhoff team the way update me say kanu enumre ya me de emam na Hasselhoff former player Emmanuel Nati edi sembia to ya obeka ya coach bodu time no Nati eka player omo ebe boy ma coach bodu season and I say the time at Haas no very successful about home in partner all of a sudden you who and said Nati any has be e ko fan say me by a create friction among the fans na amafo be pemene omonim de see potia Nati etimi ekopiem over Iraq na no na Nati ekonya opportunity a akonya TV show bi so a wacheche the coin of fast wa ofri Hasselhoff team no mu and utie sem na du bia ya na hatwene kakra the we are kwaso du bia faso ye niam no to bia na areho kakra and me sure say you no kwa with that experience we players be with that experience o mo kwa so mekasa o meka the same thing but you share them say going for the niam bit masesa kwa faso any place e deal with Hasselhoff no benefo betimi asesa niam kakra se be ya at least you be funny my pretty serious kakra net ma boa Hasselhoff team na team net ma ko mu tie buja yenko tie Emmanuel Nati ensemo de tuja abra onya konya se wonche kwan a de ntia of kwan faso if you Hasselhoff team no yenko tie mra.
I had a contract from my Iraqi club Duhok which was already prepared. The agent was just pressurizing me. Am I going to sign the contract?
To sign it,
yeah, I played with Nuru Sule. He had left Hasselhoff but the same club.
Oh, right.
Yes. So I had the contract prepared. But then I was waiting for Hasselhoff's offer, and then I decided what to do. So I went home on Friday. Just after leaving training, I had a call from the president from Iraq. Am I coming? Because they have a match on Monday. It was against the first club, because the work was second on the log. And they wanted me to come and then play that game. So I got home. I didn't hear anything. They said we're going to get in touch on Monday. I told the president, okay, just give me some few days. I need to sort some things out, and then I'm going to get in touch. So they called me on Monday to come to the secretariat on Monday. I went there, they presented their offer. I told them, I'm not going to work with this. I gave them what I wanted. And they were like, okay, they are going to think through. I should wait. For some few minutes, they came back and they were like, no, they can't give me what I'm asking for. So this is what they can do. I'm like, okay, fine. Let me get home. Let me think through with my pillow. I'm going to get back to you. So on Monday, whilst leaving the secretariat, I had another call from the president again. They've been able to shift the game from Monday to Thursday because I am not around.
Wow.
Yes. So from there, I realized I've not even gone to the team, but this is how they are going to treat me if I get there. Because if a game has been moved because of me, they only saw a video of me. They haven't even seen me play.
Yeah.
I felt the environment is going to be very serene for me. It's going to be very calm for me. So I told the president, I am ready. So it was like, they're going to send you your ticket tomorrow. Wow. So you leave. I'm like, no, I need to prepare because I haven't done anything. I was like, okay. Because the game was on Thursday. I was like, okay, we're going to see what we are going to do in regards to the game again. So they moved the game from Thursday to Saturday.
Wow.
I left Ghana on Wednesday. I got to Iraq on Thursday. Trained on Friday. And then played the game on Saturday.
Wow.
Right after the game, I heard the supporters were mad. They didn't see me play. Our last game on Sunday, that's the full game. What was wrong? Injured? No. So there were so many rumors going around. And then a friend of mine actually sent me a voice note on what one of the Hearts board members said. That I was asking for an outrageous amount. And I was like, no. The convo I had with the board member actually recorded that convo without his knowledge.
Wow.
Because I know that is what they do. They are going to paint you black to the supporters and then they are going to come at you. So I forwarded the voice note, the recordings to this guy who is also a very staunch Hasselhoff fan. And I was like, really? Okay, we are going to fight for you. I'm like, no. I came to the club without any qualms, without any talks. I don't want to leave leaving a stain on my shirt. Let me leave peacefully. I have paid my dues to the club. It is time for me to leave. Let me just leave and then just continue. He said, no, this is what they do to most of the guys. And I'm like, until this thing persists, let's just leave it. If they try to, then we can actually counter them with our voice note. But until then, let's just keep it on the low. I am in Iraq now. I am playing. So let's just leave it. So this board member actually got in touch with me. I was like, you really did that? And I'm like, yes. I trusted you so much. This is what you had wanted to do. Who would have spoken for me?
Yeah, nobody.
If I didn't have so smart. I was like, yeah, I don't want to paint me black. I came to Hearts of Oak, I paid my dues. Let me leave. I don't want to have any problem with the supporters. Let me just go. And it was really painful, considering the way I left.
Yeah.
But then I still kept it to myself. One door closes, another one opens. I just left. And today I thank God so much. I left Hearts of Oak and I'm doing so well. The club is also doing so well. So I felt it was just God's own way of doing these things. So yeah, it was painful, but then yeah. No things, we just thank God for whatever that happened.
Regardless. Wow, I didn't.
We any sema former Hearts of Oak player Emmanuel Nate de Tuja abra onye opportunity won che kwan a na say de ye ya oti free Hearts of Oak team ni munti abusia we wetima judge for ho de we a enyeman si kwai no mame hu so wadwen kire o comment section wona aja yintimi pia bi mampenifo no mo hwene ne mebo no mo timi ensisan kakra na ma hasedi no ehu emrenyam kakra wata say edimbo no ya doso ma Hearts of Oak team no edimbo no atoso pa basa na basa na old players ni di yawa ya na we do be hia mo so mebo club no na omo twetwem because of the year twem nti no eti abusa we any the course your favorite video ni ensi wo ha say na nyame ya do mo china Monday yet more update be rem or transfer no na the ensa beka bia no ya bro now so wo hu de course makato say ense no ensi ya yenka ho asem ye ni hu nimdia na say ni hu yente ho asem a enni hu nkoma enya dia ye ka ho asem ti metima ka cho say aha na ye the most trusted source of Hearts of Oak stories no 1911 TV enti on subscribe ya bobo de so betimi subscribe we are now share na the for so set makabi notification no fa to all say be anytime be the two ma also sabet makabi no de question ti video ni si wo ha ye share nyame ya to mo china na ye fa more updates emra obompaya no aso abobi ama ye se be ya ye hu beto na ho de ni betima ba ye betimi aye videos ni more na so wo hu ensema ye kwaso Hearts of Oak team ti efensia ya kro bibia